What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another dope video. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release on October 31st. Date is subject to change. I have been hearing a little rumors that they might be pushing these joints back about a week or so. But as of right now, at the time of this video, they do release October 31st. Also, if you haven't taken a look at the video that I dropped on the sisterhood for women, the Air Jordan Retro 1 mids, please go ahead and check them out. This one right here, the black and the blue pair, I do have sizes available in these. So if you're interested, hit me up on the Instagram, FineLine1721. I can send out a link for you. Now that we got those out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. As you can see right here, we have that standard Air Jordan Retro 1 OG box. Air Jordan 1 OG High, Sail, Black, Dark Mocha, and Black. Flipping this box lid up, you do have a little quality control stamp right here on the lid. Also comes with the white and green sticker right here on the back of the box. Let's go ahead and flip this paper back and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, you can see that we have that Air Jordan Retro 1 Dark Mocha. This joint right here will not be flopping at all. Does come with a extra pair of laces right here in the Sail colorway. The shoe tree comes as such. All black sock liner, all black insole with the white Nike Air branding. Let's go ahead and take a quick little 180 look at these joints right here. Clean colorway. I'm definitely not complaining at all. I actually enjoy looking at this pair a lot more than I do the Travis Scott. I was not a fan of the big backwards Nike check right there on the side. Now, as far as the actual materials go, I will give it to the Travis Scott, even though these joints right here, depending on the pair that you get, you definitely will be impressed. White tongue, mocha brown, and Sail Nike Air branding right there up top. Going around to the side of the shoe, we have more of that nice little creamy buttery leather right there. As you can see, it's already kind of like pre-wrinkled, giving you some nice little give right there on the side. The black part right here around the toe box is definitely on point. Some nice little shadow vibes going around to the heel of the shoe. The suede is not all the way as soft as like how that Travis Scott was. You know, it's definitely not that far of a step down. Ankle collar is Semi-Plush. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, we have more of that pre-crease leather right here on the medial side as well. Taking a quick look at the right shoe inside of the pair, as you can see, more of that pre-crease leather right here on the mid panel. So as stated, this is definitely going to be a quality control thing. I've seen multiple pairs. I just shipped out multiple pairs. Some have some smooth leather and some has this buttery leather like this. It's the luck of the draw when it comes to these joints. But nonetheless, the colorway itself is still going to be a go. That about wraps it up when it comes to the Air Jordan Retro 1 Mocha OG High. Short, simple, sweet. This one right here is gonna be a problem. This one right here is definitely gonna be a problem. If you want to pick these joints up, you can do so. Head over to FineLine1721.com. I do have pairs shipping out before the release date. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And into the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.